Electric hand planer machine is a very useful and powerful tool in woodworking. It is mainly used to make wooden surfaces smooth, flat, and even. This machine is widely used by carpenters, furniture makers, and DIY workers because it makes work faster and easier. This tool works with a high-speed rotating blade inside the machine. When you turn it on and move it across the surface of the wood, the blade starts putting a thin layer from the wood. This process removes rough, uneven, or extra wood and creates a smooth and level surface. Electric hand planers are especially useful when working with doors, wooden boards, and furniture parts. For example, if a wooden door is slightly bigger than its frame, this machine can quickly trim it to the perfect size. It is also used to straighten edges and prepare wood for polishing or painting. One of the best features of this machine is its depth adjustment knob. With this control, the user can decide how much wood to remove in one pass. This gives better accuracy and control during work. The machine is also lightweight and portable, which means it can be easily carried and used anywhere. Most electric hand planers come with a dust outlet system. This helps to remove wood dust and chips while working, keeping the workspace clean and improving visibility. Safety is very important while using this machine. Always wear safety glasses and keep your hands away from the blade area. Make sure the wood is properly fixed before starting the work. Proper handling ensures both safety and better results. In conclusion, the electric hand planer machine is an essential woodworking tool. It saves time, increases efficiency, and gives a smooth finish to wood surfaces. Whether you are a professional carpenter or a beginner,